We're diving into the latest from Xiaomi's wearable lineup, the Xiaomi Watch S4. Packed with new features, refined design, and a more polished software experience, this smartwatch promises a lot. Design and build. The Xiaomi Watch S4 takes a noticeable leap in design. With its aluminum alloy case, sapphire glass display, and refined digital crown, it feels a lot more premium than its predecessor. The watch is available in multiple finishes, including silver and black, with a range of straps, from fluoroelastomer to leather. Display. The S4 sports a gorgeous 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a 466 by 466 resolution and up to 600 nits of brightness. The colors are vibrant, the text is crisp, and visibility in direct sunlight is excellent. It also supports always-on display, which is a nice touch for glanceable information. Performance and software. The Xiaomi Watch S4 runs on HyperOS for Watch, Xiaomi's unified operating system. It feels fluid, fast, and significantly more refined than previous versions. Swiping through widgets, launching apps, or even using third-party watch faces feels smoother than ever. Battery life. Battery life is excellent. With a 470 mAh battery, Xiaomi claims up to 10 days of usage on a single charge with moderate usage, and in our testing, we got close to that figure. With heavy GPS tracking and AI enabled, expect around 4 to 5 days. Overall, the Xiaomi Watch S4 is one of the best smartwatches Xiaomi has made to date. Thank you so much.